Okay guys, this is Miss Ratliff and I've been asked to give a how-to video on how to make a Google site. First, make sure you're logged into Google services, and the best way I've known to do it is just to type Google Sites in the Google search bar and then go to the first link there. It's got some templates here. I used the class template when I created mine, and I'll show you that here in just a second. This is what this template looks like when you bring it up. You can change the name of the class here, 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 so on, and it's got like different little things down through here so you can put in your information and your links, as well as it's got like some pre-made tabs. You've got one for schedule, one for newsletter. If you go here to pages, that shows you the different tabs, and you can click the three little dots and you can duplicate it, or you can delete it. You can double click on it and change the name of it. You can add more here. You can change the theme. You can click on different themes and change the colors and stuff. So that's basically how you do it. If it has this little symbol, when you click on it, it'll ask you to upload it. But if you double click, I think this is the right one, and you hit this, you can change the different kind of placeholder it is. So if you want to put like a Google Drive there, a document, or Google Docs, or anything like that, you can even embed YouTube videos here. You can delete it. You can use this here to duplicate the slide. This here changes the color, like the emphasis. You can make it regular emphasis, or you can give it like emphasis 1 or 2. You can upload an image and have an image as the background. You can delete it. You can grab these right here and you can move them around as well. Some things to do. Make sure, like, after you get finished, you hit publish. When you go to publish, it'll bring up this. Type in your class name. If you're at one school, put the school letters. Like, for instance, like if you were at Central Elementary, you put CES, or you can label it what you teach and your last name or your first name or whatever. And then go right here where it says who can view my site. If it's something you're going to give to the parents, like for instance, my parents go to the site and then go into Clever that way, I've made mine public. If it's just something that you're going to use with your kids, the parents don't need to know the link or anything or be able to access it. You can leave it with Johnson County Schools. And then if you do restricted, it's only people who have the link. Make sure you leave your draft in restricted mode. That allows you to make changes and stuff without everybody being able to see it. And make sure this says viewer. And then you hit done, and then you hit publish. Well, I was hoping it would bring up here's the publish editor. Let me make a change so that it'll show what it looks like. When you hit publish and you've made changes, it shows the draft and the current published one. Then you would hit publish again, and it would, of course, allow for that to go through. After that, let's say you made changes and you didn't, and you wanted to undo them, you can click right here. These are all the different versions. You can take it back to what it looked like before, and if you hit this right here, restore this version, it undoes everything that you did from your last save point back to that point. And then, like, if you're working on it, and for instance you want to see what it looks like, if you hit this is computer mode, and then you have tablet mode, and then you have cell phone mode. And then that way you can see what your students and parents will see at any time. These here are different layouts. Like, see, you can click add here, you can upload, different things. You got the text edit and stuff. Like if you put text here and you want to put a hyperlink, you hit insert link. It'll pop up and then you can just copy and paste your link there. And that's really all you do. Just make sure every time you make changes, you hit publish because it will automatically save it. But if you don't hit publish, then the people who are viewing your page will not be able to see the changes. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.